Keeping rental properties filled during the winter can be a challenge. Fewer people are looking to move in colder months, and the weather can make showings and maintenance more difficult. But with the right strategies, you can keep your rental properties occupied and avoid vacancy costs. Today, we're going to cover the top 5 ways to keep your rental properties rented during the winter. First, focus on online marketing. Since fewer people are actively looking for rentals in the winter, you need to maximize your property's visibility to reach those who are. This means ensuring your listing is available on all major rental websites, including Zillow, Apartments.com, Craigslist, and any local Kansas City platforms. Make sure your listing includes high-quality photos that showcase the property in its best light. Even though it's winter, try to take photos on a clear day to make the property look as inviting as possible. Also, consider adding a virtual tour or video walkthrough. This allows potential tenants to get a real feel for the space without having to leave their home. Winter weather can make in-person visits harder, so giving people an online option can make your property more attractive. Second, consider offering seasonal incentives. Winter is a slower time for rentals, so small incentives can make a big difference in attracting tenants. Think about offering a move-in discount, reduced security deposit, or even a month of free utilities. These incentives don't have to be costly, but can give prospective tenants an extra nudge to choose your property. If you want to keep tenants long-term, consider offering a slight discount for a longer lease. For example, a small rent reduction for signing an 18-month lease instead of a 12-month one. This not only fills your property quickly, but also minimizes turnover by extending the lease term through the next winter season. Another key strategy is keeping the property well-maintained and move-in ready. Winter weather can be harsh, and a property that feels clean, warm, and ready for tenants is more appealing. Make sure the heating system is working efficiently, and that all windows and doors are properly insulated to prevent drafts. Adding a few small touches like a warm rug, fresh paint, or cozy lighting can make the property feel more inviting during winter tours. If a property looks and feels well cared for, potential tenants will feel more comfortable moving in, knowing they won't be dealing with maintenance issues during the winter. Pricing competitively is the 4th strategy to keep your property rented during winter. In a slower rental season, pricing too high can drive tenants away. Review local rental prices to ensure your property is competitive. You don't have to lower your rent significantly, but adjusting it to be slightly more attractive than similar properties can make a difference. Keep in mind that a small reduction in rent is far better than having the property sit vacant for months, costing you more in lost income. Lastly, work on flexible lease terms. Offering more flexible terms is a great way to appeal to renters who may be hesitant about committing to a long-term lease in the winter. Consider options like a month-to-month lease or a shorter lease term that would allow the tenant to move out in spring or summer. You could even offer the option to extend the lease later if they decide they want to stay. Flexibility in lease terms makes the property more appealing to renters who may not want to commit to a year-long lease right away. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we specialize in keeping properties rented year-round, even during the slower winter months. From effective marketing to seasonal incentives, we handle everything needed to keep your property occupied and generating income. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. In conclusion, keeping rental properties filled during the winter is all about making the property attractive, being flexible, and marketing effectively. By focusing on online visibility, offering seasonal incentives, keeping the property move-in ready, pricing competitively, and being flexible with lease terms, you'll increase your chances of keeping tenants through the colder months. If you need help managing your property and keeping it rented all year, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to support you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.